Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name's James, and today I want to do a big thank you to everyone out there in the audience all the way around the world, wherever you live. But yeah, I want to say a big thank you to everyone, because if you haven't noticed, I've surpassed 2,000 subscribers by the time I record this video, which is well, actually the day before my update video goes out. So yeah. But yeah, last time I checked, I've got 2,009 subscribers. It may go up, may go down. We'll see what happens when this video goes out, which is on Friday. So yeah, as always, I want to do a big thank you to everyone. And yeah, I want to do another giveaway. I've got a few prizes for this time. The big one is this one, which I will put up a clip of it as well. But this is the Sonic Models GWR 6100 class. I have to remember what it was called then. Yeah, it's the new 6100 class. And yeah, I have done a review of it, so you can see that at some point. And yeah, it's a very nice little model. Like I said, you'll see a video of it spinning around of it on my turntable, just so you can have a proper look. I have also got a few other things to give out for runners-up. I'm only going to do 4 runners-up this time, so it'll be 1 big prize winner and 4 runners-up for the extra little Metcalfe kits, which I'll be sending everyone. But there's a range of them, so you can pick something. You're more likely to get something which you want. If not, do let me know well, after it's picked out. But it's first come, first serve. But any which don't get picked will be just taken over to the next giveaway whenever that happens. If I end up with too many, I'll just do a small little giveaway. Here, have all these, because they're clogging up my storage. But yeah, just a big thank you to everyone, and yeah, I hope you all like the giveaway. I do want to do a little extra little bit of update for. So the channel updates just come out, but I recorded that a little while ago. But I want to do another update for what I'm planning to do. Normally I've been doing N-gauge models. Well, I want to expand my 3D printing stuff to... I've been looking into 009 because it's similar scale model-wise to N-gauge, and probably some smaller gauges. I can't do anything bigger than N because, to be honest, my printer's not big enough. But I will look into doing stuff like T-gauge, or I don't know about TT is bigger than N, so I can't do that. But I'll look into T-gauge because I do want to put a T-gauge layout somewhere in my room because it's small and tiny and it can fit anywhere. But yeah, just a few extra things to put out there. And one other thing is I have got a I'm trying to put out a, I don't want to say it's a subscription service, but it's something so you can support me if you want to in other ways. So let me just change the thing to the right thing. There we go. So this is just so if you want to, say, donate £5 a month, you get, say, extra little things, and £10 a month, even more little things, and £20 a month, you get even more little things. And this is just so that, well, in hope that if enough people support me, I can, well, make this my full-time job. So yeah. I'll leave it up on screen just so you can have a quick look at it. But yeah, that's if you want to do this. And yeah, if you want to definitely get into a giveaway, £5 a month, and you'll definitely be entered into all giveaways. But yeah, there's a little thing which I'm seeing about if people are interested. It is on the website and it is live, so if anybody wants to have a read of that, they can have a read of it. But I should probably stop going on about it. There we go. But yeah, that's the main bits for this video. So if you want to enter the giveaway, comment down below, or if you feel like it, no, playing a fiver at me, then you'll definitely be entered into the giveaway and you have a chance to win this, or maybe a Metcalfe kit. Either way, something. I don't know. I don't make scripts anymore. Actually, I make some scripts, but yeah, for this bit, I don't make any scripts. I just put along. Anyway, I'm going to stop rabbiting on because I've just done 5 minutes of me talking absolutely rubbish. But thank you everyone again for supporting me, and I hope you all entered the giveaway so everyone has a chance to win the Sonic GWR 6100 class or something else which you may like. I said if there's a lot of people, I will start giving out more runner-up prizes because might as well try and make more people happy. So yeah. Anyway, that's going to be it for me, and yeah, I'm probably going to have lunch at some point. So yeah, that's it for me. So hope you all have a lovely day, and I'll see you again next time. So take care now, and again, thank you for watching and supporting me. Bye bye.